Alright, meron tayong finished project, NMAX 155 from Dasma. Papakita natin ha. Ito si sir, kaya kaway ka naman. From Dasma Cavite, kinabit natin, brake system, E3, left and right. Yan. Okay, tapos RCB 4-pot, caliper, CNC bracket, over racing 260mm, S-series brake hose. Yung hose nito isang set na for NMAX talaga, yung bagong release ng NMAX ng RCB. Tapos S26 series 2-pot for rear, dahil yung R55 ay hindi pwede pag naka-stock mags. Okay, alright. So sa mga malalayo, pwede kayong umorder sa TikTok. Check nyo na lang yung Yellow Basket.